Easy English with Rudra. Speak English easy with pictures. No teacher needed, no grammar rules. Learn English fast and fun. Today we will learn very easy English sentences. Our topic is market shopping. We will learn how to talk in the market. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. When we go shopping, we can use sentences in present, past, future, and now. For example, I buy vegetables. Present tense. I bought vegetables yesterday. So the action completed yesterday, we use past tense. I will buy vegetables tomorrow. Tomorrow. When we use tomorrow, we use future tense. I am buying vegetable now. The action running now. So now we use buy fruits. I buy fruits. Present tense. I bought fruits yesterday. Past tense. I will buy fruits tomorrow. Future tense. I am buying fruits now. Now ask the phrase. I asked the phrase. Present tense. I asked the phrase yesterday. So past tense. I will ask the phrase tomorrow. Future tense. I am asking the phrase now. Now give money. I give money. Present tense. I gave money yesterday. Past tense. I will give money tomorrow. Future tense. I am giving money now. Now I take change. I take change. Present tense. I took change yesterday. Past tense. I will take change tomorrow. Future tense. I am taking change now. Now I carry a bag. Present tense. I carried a bag yesterday. Past tense. I will carry a bag tomorrow. Future tense. I am carrying a bag now. Now. Seventh one. Buy rice. I buy rice. Present tense. I bought rice yesterday. Past tense. I will buy rice tomorrow. Future tense. I am buying rice now. Now. Eighth one. Buy oil. I buy oil. Present tense. I bought oil yesterday. Past tense. I will buy oil tomorrow. Future tense. I am buying oil now. Buy milk. I buy milk. Present tense. I bought milk yesterday. Past tense. I will buy milk tomorrow. Future tense. I am buying milk now. 10th one. Talk to the shopkeeper. I talked to the shopkeeper. Present tense. I talked to the shopkeeper yesterday. Past tense. I will talk to the shopkeeper tomorrow. Future tense. I am talking to the shopkeeper now. Now. So review and homework. Today we learned sentences about market shopping. We practiced 10 shopping actions in present, past, future and now. Homework friends. Write about one shopping action not from today's list. Make 4 sentences. Present, past, future and now. For example, I buy sugar. I bought sugar yesterday. I will buy sugar tomorrow. I am buying sugar now. So friends, if you liked our video, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe